everyone! Did you know that making a ninja star can be a fun and easy way to impress your friends? Let's learn how to make one in just a few minutes. In this video, you'll discover how to create a classic paper ninja star using just a couple of sheets of paper and some simple folds. It's a great way to unleash your creativity and have some fun at the same time. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Many people find origami intimidating, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that making a ninja star is not only easy but also a great way to practice your folding skills. You don't need to be a master at origami, all you need is a little patience and a willingness to give it a shot. Plus, it's a fantastic way to impress your friends and family. Imagine showing off your skills at the next gathering, they won't believe you made it yourself. So, let's tackle this challenge together and get started. Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into the fun part. I'll guide you step by step through the folding process. First things first, grab your paper. You can use any paper you have lying around, printer paper, colored paper, or even old wrapping paper works perfectly. Now, we'll start by cutting the paper into squares. You can make them any size you like, but I recommend starting with 5 by 5 inch squares for your first star. Once you have your squares, we'll begin folding. The first fold is super simple, just fold the square in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Make sure to crease it well so it holds its shape. Now, unfold that triangle and fold the corners into the center point. This will create a smaller triangle shape. Repeat this with your second square. Now, here comes the fun part. We'll take both triangles and start interlocking them. Lay one triangle flat and then place the second triangle on top, making sure to align them perfectly. You'll fold the corners of the top triangle into the gaps of the bottom triangle, and just like that, we're almost there. I'll walk you through every step, so don't worry if you can't keep up right away. Just pause the video if you need a moment. Climax/key moment. And now, the moment of truth arrives. We're at the point where we put all the folded pieces together to form the ninja star. Watch how it comes to life. As you tuck the corners in and secure everything in place, you'll start to see the star shape emerge. It's such a satisfying feeling to see your hard work pay off. If you did it right, your ninja star should be able to spin when you throw it. How cool is that? Conclusion/summary. Now that you've made your very own paper ninja star, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to try different sizes and colors. The more you practice, the better you'll get at folding, and soon you'll be creating all sorts of origami masterpieces. Plus, you can even challenge your friends to make their own ninja stars and see whose is the best. Call to action, CTA. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun origami projects. I'd love to hear how your ninja star turned out, so let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy folding!